Hey everyone! So today we're talking about the 5 beauty mistakes that women make. Number 1 would be not properly taking care of your skin and also not using skincare before you go to bed at night and washing your face. And so your makeup will never be a 10 if your skincare game is a 2. So it's so important to take care of your skin morning and night. So you want to wash your face twice a day. And the best way to do that is starting with our TimeWise Miracle Set. You can get amazing results with a 4-in-1 cleanser, cleansing, exfoliating, freshening, and brightening your skin in a very fast, effective way. TimeWise Moisturizer 3D. It has SPF in it, or you can get it without. And then also our age-fighting 3D Renewal Eye Cream to help fight fine lines and wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, it does it all. And so that's a great place to start taking care of your skin, whether it be in the morning or at night. With at night, you've got the option to use these amazing great cleansing cloths, which are fast, easy, and effective to cleanse your skin off at night, especially if you're in a hurry or you're very tired. So the second beauty mistake that people make is actually washing their face with their hands rather than using a brush. Well, it's super effective to use a Skinvigorate brush. This is our sonic brush. It's waterproof. You charge it USB. It's great for travel. And this will deep clean the skin as you cleanse. It's so much more effective to get rid of all that dirt from the day on your skin. This brush will give you miracles. It polishes, it deep cleans. It's incredible. In fact, an esthetician would never sell this brush without, well, they'd never sell a cleanser without this brush, okay? And the next common beauty mistake people make is neglecting the neck area, okay? So this neck area is actually part of your skincare routine. This is actually part of your skin. And so when you wash your face, make sure you wash down here. Make sure you hydrate down here. You know, if you've ever seen women with great skin till here and then here is all wrinkled, this is actually a great place to start taking care of anti-aging on your neck and your décolleté area if you want to stay looking young and hydrated. All right, and the final, well, actually the 4th mistake people make is skipping primer. Primer is a huge, important deal, not only for your face primer before foundation, but we have eye primer, lip primer, lash primer. We've got so many different primers, but foundation primer sets the foundation before you apply it. It helps get rid of redness. It smooths out the skin. It has SPF in it to give you an additional layer, and it just gets rid of redness. It's like incredible. So primer is incredible for your skin. And then the 5th and final beauty mistake people make is actually in a video that I've already done, but it's not cleaning your makeup brushes. It is so important to spray and disinfect, especially in times like this, to keep things clean and safe. And so weekly, bi-monthly, you really want to deep clean the brushes, but on a weekly basis, you can use this spray right on a paper towel, clean them out, spray them up, and you've got the color, you've got them clean again, and you've got all the disinfecting, in solution into your brushes to keep them nice, soft, and clean. So those are my 5 common beauty mistakes that people make. Thanks for watching, everybody.